Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you the oldest celebratory beverage known to man. It's mead. It's simply made with honey, filtered water, and yeast. You just let it ferment for about 30 days and you have this tasty concoction that's called the drink of the gods. Now, you don't need a chemistry degree to make your own mead. With the Blue Ox Deluxe Mead Making Kit, it's mead made simple. Let's do a quick unboxing. So once you have everything in the box, you have the thank you card featuring the owners and the deluxe mead making kit instructions manual with a step-by-step process on how to make delicious meat. So make sure you follow that carefully. And the parts are, you have a 1-gallon carboy, which is made of glass, and also a rubber stopper, okay? And then you have the 3-piece airlock that's used to keep the bubbles in the fermentation process, all right? And then you have the racking cane and cap. This is the racking cane along with the cap right here, all right? And then you have 4 of these flip top bottles featuring this flip top easy to use design. I'll show you guys how to install that. Very large bottles. And then you have a sanitizer package. Okay, that's used for sanitation. Very important. And then you have a D47 yeast package along with the yeast nutrients 1, 2, and 3. All right, along with that, you have an expandable funnel. Check this out. You use this for other kitchen uses. And also, just special to the deluxe kit, you have a hydrometer kit, which is used to measure the alcohol by volume content. All right, see right here, hydrometer kit, which also comes exclusively with the syringe, okay, and also a cleaning brush. And I'm super excited. Let's get started.